Hello children, welcome to section and midpoint formula part 2 of class 10. In the first part I have already explained the concepts, section formula, midpoint formula and formula for centroid. In this part, this is the last part, okay, second and last part. In this part I will explain, solve some examples with explanation, okay. So you can open your textbook, Concept Mathematics, Salina Publishes, page number 182, exercise 13C. Exercise 13C, okay. Exercise 13C, page number 182. Move to question number 2. Question number 2. A and B are two fixed points. Okay. A, B, 20, 0, 10, minus 20, 10, minus 20 are two fixed points. Find the coordinates of point P in AB such that 3PB is equal to AB. 3PB is equal to AB, or PB by AB. Okay, PB by AB that 3 right, 1 by 3. Okay, PB by AB is equal to 1 by 3. Let PB here. Okay, means if if PB is 1, AB is 3. Means if this is 1, PB is 1, this is 1, this is 3. Okay? But our target is to find AB by BB. That is M1 by M2. Okay, this is not the actual ratio given. Okay, our ultimate target is to find AB by BB, which is not given. Okay, then only you can find the coordinates of point P. Not now. AP by AP is equal to, okay, what is AP? How to get AP? AB minus BP. Okay, you can see the diagram. How to get AP? AB minus BP. Okay, and BP is already given. Okay, BP is already given. So just I am writing BP. Okay, AB minus BP. What is AB minus PB? AB can be assumed to be 3, PB can be assumed to be 1. So 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. And what is BP? What is BP? 1. BP is 1. Okay? BP is 1. That is, this is our ratio, 2 by 1. So the ratio is 2 by 1. Okay? M1 by M2 is equal to AP by BP is equal to 2 by 1. This is x1 by 1. You may write, you may not write. This is x2 by 2 and this is our xy. Okay. Use the formula. M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. This is the formula, section formula. Now what is M1 into x2? M1 is 2, okay. M1 is 2, M2 is 1. So M1 x2 means 2 into 10. This is x2 by 2, okay. And this is x1 by 1. This is x1 by 1. So M1 x2 means 2 into 10, that is 20. M2 x1 means M2 is 1 into x1. x1 is 20. So 1 into 20 is 20. M1 plus M2, 2 plus 1, 3, which is 40 by 3. Okay, so P is x is equal to 40 by 3. Now let's go for y. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, this is the formula. So what is m1 y2? 2 into y2 is minus 20. 2 into minus 20 is minus 40. Okay, then m2 y1. m2 y1 means 1 into 0. 1 into 0 is 0 by 3. m1 plus m2 is 2 plus 1 3. So which is minus 40 by 3. So we got the coordinates of point P. So we can write now P is equal to 40 by 3 minus 40 by 3. Okay, 40 by 3 and minus 40 by 3. So this is the coordinate of point P. Then also find the coordinates of some other point Q. One more point. Okay, one more point we have to take. One more point. We have to take one more point Q in AB such that AB is equal to 6AQ. AB is equal to 6AQ. So Q must be somewhere here. Suppose this is Q. Now forget P. Okay, forget P. Already you have got coordinates of P. Forget P. AB is equal to 6AQ. Okay, so AB by AQ is equal to 6 by 1. Okay, 6 by 1. But this is not our target. Means this is not the ratio which we can use. We need AQ by BQ. Okay, we need AQ by BQ, which is not given. Only AQ is given, BQ is not given. So first we have to find that. AQ by BQ, we can assume AQ to be 1. Okay, assume AQ to be 1. Now how to find BQ? BQ is equal to AB minus AQ. Okay, BQ is equal to AB minus AQ. AB minus AQ. Now what is AB minus AQ? AB can be assumed to be 6. AQ can be assumed to be 1. So 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 which is 1 by 5. This is our ratio which we did. Okay. So now AQ by BQ is equal to M1 by M2 is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. I am using P. Okay. We don't need P now. We have already found the coordinates of point P. Our target is Q. Okay. Again use the formula. X is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. What is M1 x2? This is M1, this is M2. 1 into 10. Okay, 1 into 10 is 10. M2 x1. M2 x1. Okay. M2 x1 means 5 into 20. 5 into 20 is 100. M1 plus M2. 1 plus 5 which is 6. So 110 by 6. So we got 55 by 3. Okay, we got 55 by 3x. We got the x coordinate of point Q. Now we will go for y coordinate. Okay, y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. What is m1 y2? 1 into minus 20, which is minus 20. What is M2 y1? 5 into y1 is 0. 5 into 0 is 0 by 6. M1 plus M2 is 1 plus 5, which is 6. So minus 20 by 6, 0, leave it. Minus 20 by 6, which is minus 10 by 3. So this is y. So we got q is equal to 55 by 3, comma, minus 10 by 3. Okay, so this is q, coordinates of point q. Same exercise, okay, same exercise. Question number 4. Question number 4, okay. Number 4. Find the coordinates of points of trisection of the line segment joining 6, minus 9. This is 6, minus 9. The other point is origin, means 0, 0. Name is not given. Let this point be A. Origin is represented using the letter O. So this is O. Okay. We have to find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Trisection means 3 equal parts. Okay. So let the 2 points be here and here. Suppose this is P. This is Q. AP is equal to PQ is equal to QO. Okay. Then only they are points of trisection. Our first target is point P. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Okay, for P. For P, x1 y1, x2 y2 we already have, so no problem with that. We need just need the ratio. Okay, what is AP by PO? M1 by M2 is equal to AP by OP. Don't look at Q. Okay, AP by OP. If AP is 1, what is OP? 1 plus 1, 2. 2. So 1 by 2. Okay, ratio is 1 by 2. We have everything now. We can easily find the coordinates of point Q. Okay, so x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. What is m1 x2? m1 is 1. Okay, this is m1, this is m2. Okay, so 1 into x2 is 0. You can say x2 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. m2 x1. What is m2? 2. What is x1? 6. 2 into 6 is 12. m1 plus m2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 12 by 3 is 4. This is the x coordinate of point P. 4. Okay. Now let us go for y coordinate. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. What is m1 y2? 1 into 0, which is 0. m2 y1. 2 into minus 9, which is minus 18 by 3. m1 plus m2 is 3. 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. So 0 plus minus 18 means minus 18. 0 minus 18 is 18. 0 minus 18 is minus 18. Minus 18 by 3 is minus 6. This is the y coordinate of point P. So 4, minus 6. Successfully you have got the coordinates of point P. Now our next target is Q. Our next target is Q. Okay. For Q, again we need the ratio. Now forget P, don't look at P. M1 by M2 is equal to now AQ by OQ. Okay, AQ by OQ. If AQ is 2, 1 plus 1, 2, OQ is 1. So now ratio is 2 by 1. For P the ratio was 1 by 2. For Q the ratio is 2 by 1. Okay, so 2 is M1, 1 is M2. We have everything else. We can easily find the coordinates of Q. X is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. Okay, M1 x2 means 2 into 0, which is 0. M2 x1 means 1 into x1, 6. 1 into 6 is 6 by 3. M1 plus M2 is 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, 6 by 3 is 2. This is 2. Okay, now let us go for y. Y is equal to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. Okay, so what is M1 y2? M1 is 2, 2 into y2 is 0, 2 into 0 is 0, M2 y1, M2 is 1, y1 is minus 9, so 1 into minus 9 is minus 9, then M1 plus M2 is 3, 0 plus minus 9 is minus 9, minus 9 by 3 is minus 3, so this is the y coordinate of point Q, so minus 3, so hence we have got the coordinates of point P and Q, which are the points of trisection of the line segment AO. Okay. Next question, number 5. Number 5. A line segment A minus 1 comma 5 by 3 and B A comma 5 is divided in the ratio 1:3 at the point P, the point where the line segment AB intersects the y-axis. Okay. Remember, in coordinate geometry, actually coordinate geometry is a combination of geometry and algebra. Okay. So every question you have to understand geometrically using a diagram, and you have to solve algebraically using the formulas which I have given. Okay, so it is combination of geometry and algebra. Understand geometrically by drawing diagram and solve algebraically by using formula. So first let us understand how this figure will be. Okay, there is a line segment AB which intersects the y-axis. Okay, suppose this is the y-axis. Okay, and suppose this is the x-axis. Okay, try to understand. This is x-axis. Okay, minus 1 comma 5 by 3. Minus 1. Suppose this is minus 1. 5 by 3 means 1 whole 2 by 3. So it will be somewhere here. Suppose this is the point. First point A. This is A minus 1 comma 5 by 3. Then the other point is A comma 5. A I don't know, but y coordinate is 5. Suppose A is somewhere here. Y coordinate is 5. So here suppose this is B, A comma 5. If you join AB, you will get a line segment. Okay, this line segment intersects the y-axis at this point. This point is P. This point is P. Okay, and it is given that the point P divides AB line segment in the ratio 1:3. Means AP by BP is equal to 1 by 3. So ratio is already given to us. I am writing here AP by BP is equal to A. Okay, calculate the value of A. Okay. Can we find the coordinates of point P? See, the point P lies on the y-axis. Okay, any point that lies on the y-axis, its x coordinate is 0. Okay. Suppose this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 2, 0, minus 3, 0, minus 4. In this way, if you take any point on the y-axis, its x coordinate will definitely be 0. Y coordinate we don't know. Similarly, if you take any point on the x-axis, its y coordinate will be 0. X coordinate we cannot say. For example, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 2, 0, minus 3, 0. In this way, y coordinate is always 0 in the x-axis and x coordinate is always 0 in the y-axis. So definitely the x coordinate of P is 0. Y coordinate I don't know. Okay, y coordinate I don't know. Let it be y. Let it be y. I don't know. Okay. So our first target is to find the value of A. Okay. A is x coordinate. So you have to use formula for x coordinate. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Which is x? This is xy, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is m1 by m2. This is m1, this is m2. Okay. So everything we have, let us put the values. What is x? 0. Ready? X is 0. What is m1? 1. 1. What is x2? This is x2. x2 is a. x2 y2. Okay. x2 is a. So 1 into a is a. m2 x1. m2 is 3. x1 is minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. By m1 plus m2 is equal to 1 plus 3, which is 4. Okay. Bring 4 left side. 0. A minus 3. Okay. 0 into 4 is 0. So A is equal to 3. So the value of A is 3. First bit over. Okay. Next, calculate the coordinates of point P. Okay. That means you have to find the value of y. X we already have 0. Simply you have to find y. So put the value means put the formula for y. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, which is equal to m1 y2. m1 is 1, y2 is 5. 1 into 5 is 5. m2 y1. m2 is 3. y1 is 5 by 3. Okay, 3 into 5 by 3. 3 into 5 by 3, 3 cancel. 3 into 5 by 3, 3 cancel. Okay. And what is m1 plus m2? 1 plus 3 is 4. This 3 cancel. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 by 4 means 5 by 2. Okay. So we got y. So coordinates of point P are P is equal to 0, 5 by 2. 0, 5 by 2. Ready? So we have got the coordinates of point P. Next, question number 6. Next question. Question number 6. In what ratio is the line A 0, 3 and B 4, minus 1 divided by the x-axis? Okay. So again you have to understand geometrical, then only you will be able to solve it. Roughly I am drawing. This is number 6. Number 6. This is x-axis and the y-axis. Y. Okay. The first point is 0, 3. So So it will be on the y-axis. Let this point be a 0, 3. Okay. Then the second point is 4, minus 1. 4, minus 1. Suppose here this is b. This is b. 4, minus 1. First, this point has been mentioned. So this is our x1, y1. Second, this point has been mentioned. So this is x2, y2. Okay. Now, if you join these 2 points, we'll get a line segment AB. And this line segment has been intersected by the x-axis at this point. See this point. Okay. In what ratio? Okay, we have to find the ratio in which the x-axis divides the line segment AB. Okay, let this point be P. Let this point be P. Okay, our target is to find AP by BP. This is our target. First P. Okay, first we have to find this ratio. Now, what are the coordinates of point P? Now, P lies on the x-axis, so definitely its y coordinate will be 0. X coordinate I don't know. Okay, let it be x, 0. Okay. So this is x1, y1, this is xy, this is x2, y2. I want to find the ratio. But till now we have solved questions in which ratio is given, and we have been we find the coordinates of the point xy. But here xy is given, x1, x1, y1, x2, y2, xy. These are given, and we have been asked to find the ratio opposite. Okay. Okay. First ratio. See, x1, y1 we have, x2, y2 we have, okay, but x we don't have, okay, but we have y. So use the formula for y. Okay, whenever you are asked to find the ratio, okay, remember, whenever you are asked to find the ratio, you will have 2 options, either the formula for x or the formula for y. If x is given to you, then use the formula for x. If y is given to you, then use the formula for y. Okay, if both are given, then it is your choice. You can choose x, you can choose y. Okay, but here you can see x is not given, we don't know. So we cannot use the formula for x because we don't know, we cannot find the ratio. Okay, so we have to use the formula for y. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. What is y? 0. m1 and m2 we don't know. Okay, m1 into y2. m1 into y2 means m1 into minus 1, which is minus m1. Okay, m2 y1. m2 y1. m2 we don't know what is y1? 3. So 3 m2 by m1 plus m2. Bring this to the left. 0 whole into m1 plus m2 is equal to 0, is equal to minus m1 plus 3 m2. m1 is equal to 3 m2. m1 by m2 is equal to 3 by 1. Okay, 3 or 3 by 1. So this is the required ratio in which the x-axis divides the line segment AB. So 3 is to 1. If this is 3 units, this is 1 unit. Okay. So first we got the ratio, then write the coordinates of the point where AB intersects the x-axis. Means now we have to find the coordinates of point P. Y coordinate is known to us. Simply we have to find the x coordinate. Since we have the ratio now, okay, now we have the ratio, so easily we can find the x coordinate. So whenever you get such question, means question like this, similar to this, one coordinate will be given, the other coordinate will not be given. Here y was given, means it was actually not given, we found out. Okay, since it lies on the x-axis, so y coordinate is 0. Okay, so immediately the y coordinate was given to us, but x coordinate has not been given. Okay, so in this question, using y coordinate, okay, first using y coordinate, I found the ratio. Then now using the ratio, I will find the x coordinate. Similarly, if x coordinate is given, y coordinate is not given, then first using the x coordinate, we will find the ratio. Then using the ratio, we will find the y coordinate. Okay. Now our target is x. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. What is m1 x2? Ratio we have got. I have it is 3 by 4. Okay. The ratio is 3:2. This was the ratio. Okay. So m1 x2 means 3 into 4, 12. m2 x1 means 1 into 0, which is 0. Then m1 plus m2 means 3 plus 1, which is 4. 12 plus 0 is 12. 12 by 4 is 3. 3. Okay. So p is equal to 3, 0. So 3, 0 are the coordinates of the point P, where the x-axis intersects the line segment AB. Okay, and is dividing it in the ratio 3:1. Next, move to question number 10. Question number 10. The midpoint of the line segment, number 10. The midpoint of the line segment joining 4a, 2b minus 3. This is 4a. This is 2b minus 3. Let this point be a. Name is not given, so we will choose by ourselves. And minus 4, 3b. This is minus 4, 3b. This is b. This is x1, y1. Okay. You may write, you may not write, but you have to understand which is x1, y1, which is x2, y2. This is x2, y2. Then it is the, then we have a midpoint. We have the midpoint. Okay. Suppose this is the midpoint. Name is not given, so we are getting a name by ourselves. Okay. The midpoint, the coordinates are 2, minus 2a. 2, minus 2a. This is xy. Okay. Find the values of a and b. Okay. You can use midpoint formula. X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Put the means. What is x2? X is 2. What is x1? 4a. Okay. Plus what is x2? Minus 4 by 2. Okay. 4, 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 4. 8 is equal to 4a. A is equal to 2. So the value of a is 2. Now let us go for b. Use formula for y. y1 plus y2 by 2. What is y? Minus 2a. As you can see, minus 2a. Okay. Minus 2a is equal to y1. y1 is 2b minus 3. y2. What is y2? 3b by 2. Okay. So bring to left side. So minus 4. A is equal to 2b plus 3b is 5b minus 3. Okay. Now what is a? A is equal to 2. We have already found it. So minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Then minus 3 to the left. Plus 3 is equal to 5b. So minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5. Is equal to 5b. Minus 5 into 5b. Okay. So b is equal to minus 5 by 5, which is minus 1. Okay. So a is equal to 2. B is equal to minus 1. Okay. Next, question number 13. 1-3. Question number 13. Question number 13. Prove that the points A, B, C are the vertices of an isosceles right triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay. So imagine a graph paper. Okay. Imagine graph paper for this. Suppose this is y-axis. This is x-axis. -5, 4. -5, 4. Suppose here. This is A. Okay. Then B is -1, -2. -1, -2. Suppose here. This is B. -1, -2. Then C is 5, 2. 5, 2. Suppose here. 5, 2 here. Suppose. Okay. So let us join them. So this is a triangle. It is looking like a right angle triangle, but we have to prove it. Okay. You have to prove that it is isosceles and right angle. Okay. Then second part will move on later. Okay. First let us prove the first one, isosceles and right angle. Okay. So we have to use your distance formula, which you have already studied in class 9. So let us find all the sides. If B is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root. Okay. This is the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equal to, focus on A and B only. A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2, forget C. Okay. So x2 minus x1 means -1 minus 5. So -1 plus 5 full square. Y2 minus y1 is equal to -2 minus 4. -2 minus 4. Okay. -1 plus 5 is equal to 4. 4 square is 16. -2 minus 4 is -6. -6 square is 36. 36. Okay, 36 plus 16 is equal to 52. 52. If simplified, we will get 2 root 13 units. 2 root 13 units. Okay. So I am writing here 2 root 13. Okay. Next, let us focus on BC. Our next target is to find BC. BC is equal to, again the same formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and its square root. Now x2 minus x1 means, imagine that this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Now forget A. So x2 minus x1 means 5 minus -1, which is 5 plus 1. Y2 minus y1 means 2 minus -2, which is 2 plus 2. Okay. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 square is 36. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16. Again we are getting the same value. Means it is an isosceles triangle. Square root of 52, that is 2 root 13 units. Ready? Now the last side, the third side, AC. The third side, AC. Okay. AC is equal to, again the same formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square square root. So x2 minus x1 means AC. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay. forget b. So x2 minus x1 means 5 minus minus 5, which is 5 plus 5. y2 minus y1 means 2 minus 4. Okay. 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 square is 100. 2 minus 4 is minus 2, minus 2 square is 4. Square root of 104, which is 4 into 26, 2 into 13, 2 root 26. 2 root 26 units. 2 root 26 units. Okay. So if you look at the sides, two sides are equal. So definitely it is an isosceles triangle. So one part is over, but we have to prove that it is a right angle triangle also. Okay. So how can you prove that it is a right angle triangle? If Pythagoras theorem is applicable here, means sum of squares of two sides. Okay, sum of square of two sides is equal to square of the third side. If we get it, then we can say that it is a right triangle. Okay. If we compare the three sides, this side is the greatest. Okay. If this side is the greatest, then this might be the hypotenuse, because hypotenuse is the greatest side in a right triangle. So this might be the hypotenuse. Okay, means AC. So let us put AB square plus BC square. Okay. If we get AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, then it is a right triangle, because Pythagoras theorem is applicable here. Is equal to, what is AB square? 2 root 13 whole square. Okay. 2 root 13 whole square. What is BC square? Again 2 root 13. This one 2 root 13 whole square. Its square is 52. Its square is 52, which is 104. Okay. So we got AB square plus BC square. Now let us find AC square. If we get 104, then satisfied. Okay. What is AC? 2 root 26 whole square. 2 square is 4. Square of root 26 is 26, which is again 104. Okay. So we get AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Correct? In Pythagoras theorem is applicable here, and the two sides are equal. You can see two sides are equal. AB is equal to BC. So, or hence ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles because AB equal to BC, and right angle because Pythagoras theorem is applicable here. Okay. So ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. Ready? So this is the first part. Next. The last part of the question. Find the coordinates of D so that ABCD is square. Okay. Already we have got that. I'm arranging the x-axis, y-axis. Okay. This we don't need. Okay. We have already got that. This is equal to this, and this is 90 degree. Okay, because AC is the hypotenuse. If AC is the hypotenuse, then obviously angle B is 90. Okay. So we have to find the coordinates of the point D such that ABCD is square. So D must be somewhere here. Let this point be D. Let the coordinates be A and B. Okay, let the coordinates be A and B. So join CD, join AB, and it is square. Okay, it is square. So all the sides are equal. and each angle is 90 degree. Okay, all the sides are equal. As you can see, AB equal BC equal CD equal AD, and each angle is 90 degree. Our target is to find D. For that, we have to join BD also. BD. Okay. Let the point of intersection be P. Okay. Let the point of intersection be P. Now see, there is a property of square which we have already studied in class 9 rectilinear figures. Okay. Diagonals of a square are perpendicular bisectors of each other. If you neglect perpendicular, here perpendicular is not necessary. Simply we have to understand that diagonals of a square bisect each other. Means AP is equal to CP and BP is equal to DP. Or P is the midpoint of both the diagonals which are AC and BD. Okay? So we can use midpoint formula here. Okay? So look at AC first. Look at AC. Assume that A is x1, y1. C is x2, y2, P is the midpoint. So find the coordinates of point P using A and C. Do not look at B and D now. Okay? So X for P, I'm writing. For P, first we have to get the coordinates of P. Then only we can find the coordinates of point D. Okay? So X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, which is equal to, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So x1 plus x2 means minus 5 plus 5, which is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. So x coordinate is 0. So P is, x coordinate of P is 0. Okay. Now let us go for y coordinates. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, y1 plus y2 by 2 means 4 plus 2, which is 6 by 4 plus 6 by 2. Okay, sorry, 4 plus 2, which is 6 by 2. 3. So 0, 3. So successfully we got the coordinates of point P. Now forget AC. Okay, since we have already got P, now forget AC. Now focus on BD. Focus on BD. Okay, BD is also line segment. P is the midpoint of BD also. Okay, so you can assume that P is xy, B is x1 y1, D is x2 y2. Okay, now for D, which is our target. Okay, for D, x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. What is x? 0. We have already found out. 0 is equal to what is x1? Minus 1. What is x2? A. Minus 1 plus a by 2. 0 is equal to minus 1 plus a. A is equal to 1. Okay? A is equal to 1. We got a. Now let us find b. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. What is y? 3. What is y1? Minus 2. Minus 2. What is y2? B by 2. 6 is equal to minus 2 plus b. 6 plus 2, which is 8. So b is equal to 8. So we got the coordinates of point D. So now we can write D is equal to 1, 8. Okay. So 1, 8 are the coordinates of point D. Then the last question. Okay. Question number 22. Related to centroid. Last question. Question number 22. ABC are the vertices of a triangle. So let us draw a triangle doubly. ABC. What is A? 3, 1. B is y, 4. X coordinate of P is not given, y. Okay. C is 1 comma x, C is 1 comma x, G is the centroid, its coordinates are 3 comma 4, 3 comma 4. Okay, so this is our x1 y1, this is our x2 y2, this is our x3 y3, and this is our xy. Okay, we have to find the length of side BC. This is our target. BC we have to find. Okay, for that we need the value of y, we need the value of x. Okay, so use the formula for centroid. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. What is x? 3. Everything is given. x1 is 3, x2 is y, x3 is 1 by 3. This is 9. Okay, 3 into 3 is 9. 4 plus y. So y is equal to 5. Okay, y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Now our target is x. So we have to use y coordinate. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the formula for centroid I have given in the first part. Physics, chemistry, biology by 3. Okay. Y is equal to 4. Y1 is 1. Y2 is 4. Y3 is x by 3. 12 is equal to 5 plus x. X is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. Okay. Ready? So already we have got x and y. Now our target is to find the length of the BC. Okay. Actually we don't need to draw, but I am just drawing to make you understand. BC. What is B? 1 comma x. Oh, sorry. B is y comma 4. What is y? 5. 5 comma 4. Okay. What is C? 1 comma x. What is x? 7. 1 comma 7. Okay. Forget this triangle. Now focus on this line segment BC. Presently or currently, this is x1 y1. Okay. This is x2 y2. And our target is to find the length of BC. We don't need this. Okay. So BC is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square, distance formula. Okay. Plus y2 minus y1 whole square and this square root. What is x2 minus x1? 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Okay. Minus 4 square. Y2 minus y1. 7 minus 4, which is 3. 3. Okay. Square. Minus 4 square is 16. 3 square is 9. 25, which is 5. Okay. BC is equal to 5 units. Okay. So this is the required length of the side BC of the triangle ABC. Okay. So I hope you have properly understood this chapter. Okay. From the examples that I have solved. So thank you for watching. This is the end of the chapter.